Hey guys, welcome to your yoga spot. I'm Angelina. Having healthy hips helps us move with ease, protects our knees, helps our lower back, and keeps us agile. For many beginners, certain hip openers are just too challenging or put stress on the joints instead of opening the areas we are trying to target. Here are some yoga poses beginners can do safely to gain all the benefits of hip opening without injuring themselves or feeling strained. Those who are goal-oriented, if you set a goal, like one would want to touch your nose to your knees, then these simple yoga postures will help you get there over time with dedication, practice, and patience. Standing tall on your mat, side bend. Inhale, side bend to the right. Exhale. Inhale, side bend to the left. Exhale. Low lunge to high lunge. Bend your right knee, then bring your left knee down to your mat. Press your left shin and top of your left foot into the earth. Then lift your left knee up off the earth. Inhale. Telescope your ribs. Raise your arms. Exhale. And switch to the other side. If you liked these active yoga poses for tight hips, click the next video for the next set of passive hip opening yoga postures. Oh, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe.